Nori, can you show me some sign language?
Yes.
Show me thank you.
Thank you.
Show me shoes.
Shoes.
Show me milk.
Milk.
Show me more.
More.
Show me eat.
Eat.
All done.
Again.
Cat.
Cat.
Dog.
Dog.
Bird.
Bird.
Show me ball.
Ball.
Put your legs down. Ball. Show me welcome.
Welcome.
Welcome. Show me good.
Good. Good.
Good.
Good morning.
Good morning. Show me water.
Water.
Water. Show me fish.
Fish.
All right. Show me, did we do bird?
Yes.
We did bird. Okay. Show me, we did milk, we did water. What else do you know? You don't know?
We did.
Show me baby.
Baby.
How do we rock the baby? Is Nori a baby?
That's a baby.
Show me mama.
Mom.
Show me dad.
Daddy.
Daddy. Good job. Show me, what else, Nancy? Show me airplane.
We ordered.
Show me airplane.
We ordered a baby.
We did? Can you do it again? Show me airplane.
Fish.
Airplane. What else are we missing? We did fish. Put your legs down. Can you say good night?
Good night. Good night.
Show me good night.
Good night.
Show me good night.
Good night.
Show me good night. Put your legs down, please. Can you show me good night?
Good night.
Okay, we'll say bye-bye.
Bye.